Hello students, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your original WAEC certificate online directly from the official WAEC portal. Whether you need it for university admission, international scholarship, study abroad applications, employment, or any other purpose, so you can now request and download your original WAEC certificate online without visiting your school. So previously, many candidates had to wait for several months or even years before collecting their certificate from their school. In some cases, they were asked to pay higher fee, but now WAEC has made the process much easier. You can apply online, make your payment, and download your certificate instantly at an affordable cost. Before I even begin the tutorial, let me explain one very important thing. Many students applying for international scholarship and admission make a common mistake. Instead of uploading their original WAEC or NICO certificate, they upload a printed statement of results. So please note that these are not the same document. Many universities and scholarship programs ask you to upload your higher school certificate, secondary school certificate, or higher school diploma. So in Nigeria and some other African continent, this refers to original WAEC or in Nigeria NICO certificate, not the result you printed online after checking your grade. So unfortunately, many Africans are rejected for a scholarship or admission because they upload a printed statement instead of the actual certificate. If a university specifically requests your school certificate, make sure you upload your original WAEC or NICO certificate. And the good news is that WAEC certificate cannot be obtained online, and I will show you the exact process. So you can visit the official WAEC portal.waec.org. I will say portal.waec.org. I will leave the link in the video description. So if you don't have an account already, so click on this, click on create an account, then select this certificate access. This is for candidate, while this one is for institution. So select for candidate, then provide your details here. You can see your details. So select your information, click on sign up, verify your account. After verify your account, then come back to login, then click on login. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard like this. So I want to access my WAEC certificate. So by default, this is the country. Then select your examination year. So I will say that let me say these are the, you can see 2025 is the last certificate that were updated. So let me say like 2020. Then select your examination type. You can see SSC for school candidate, while this one is for private candidate. So definitely this is for school candidate that you take in your school. So select this for school candidate, then select your date of birth. This is optional, it's not required. Then enter your candidate number. So this is very important. You can take your examination slip, make sure you write the candidate number correctly. So I write my candidate number here, then I will confirm the candidate number, then I will click on I have verified the information above, and I agree term and agreement. Then I will click on access certificate. So you can see my information are known here. You can see the amount of payment you are going to pay is you will be charged 1,500 for the successful share process. As you can see, click on make payment, then they will show you the payment method, Flutter or FaceTag. So you can select any of the above. Let me say like FaceTag. I will click on make payment. They will generate a remitter for me. So after making your payment, you can instantly download your certificate. After making payment, you can come back here, then you can access your certificate. Select the preview. So you select this is my certificate. So you can see my WAEC certificate is now ready. This is the original WAEC certificate. Then you can click on this and download it. Here are my information. So in case if you no longer remember your candidate number or you have misplaced your examination slip, so don't worry, you can retrieve your examination number and you come back here. So you can see here you cover candidate number. So just click on this cover candidate number. They are asking you, have you has your name changed since you took the WAEC examination? I will say that no. Click on proceed. then you provide the information here. After providing the information, click on this retrieve candidate number. You can recover your candidate number without any problem. So as you can see, the entire process is simple and it can be complete online without visiting your school. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with others who may need their WAEC certificate. On this channel, as you can see, we share verified scholarship opportunity, study abroad guidance and step-by-step application tutorial. You can also join our WhatsApp channel for daily scholarship update, link in the video description. And thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.